good evening, and happy Monday.
Shall we begin?
We are back for the final Money on Mondays of the month. This Thursday is Thanksgiving. Have you done all your shopping? You got all your food? You got your bird? Did you get your bird? If you're vegan, did you get your vegetables? It's going to get expensive. You got to get out there and get now. I've been telling you all week how to go shop at Dollar Tree, how to get everything for the low price. Now you got to get out there and get it. You can't wait till Wednesday when you get off work at 3 o'clock. Everything gonna be gone. There's not gonna be paper plates, no paper cups, no nothing. Black Friday. You got your list together? You got your money? Let's not overspend. We got a big week coming up with savings, everybody. We got to be on top of everything. They can't beat us, because we cheap, not broke. It's Monday. Get everything together so you can take care of it during the week. You don't want to be stuck in traffic, overpaying, getting beat up in line, because people gonna be fighting over the birds. Last minute costs money. This is cheap, not broke. You come to this channel to learn how to save money. If you like these videos on Money on Mondays, please subscribe, hit that like button, or tell a friend. Leave a comment below. I would appreciate it. Thanksgiving's big. I'm telling you, the average price of Thanksgiving is $48 to feed 6 people. I don't know how true that is. I haven't done the research. Let's keep it that way. Let's not spend $78 because we were a little too late. Enjoy the time with your family. Enjoy yourself, have a good time, don't go out and drink and drive, be safe, do all these things this Thursday on Thanksgiving. I want you to have a happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy with your family. Black Friday, I'm going to do another video before Black Friday so we can review the checklist, so we can check it twice and make sure we're getting everything right. Money on Mondays.